If you are a Windows Phone user, this is a very bad news for you. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Fine. I'm back with another new video. The Instagram app is finally dead for the Windows Phone. The Instagram app is not appearing in the Windows 10 or Windows Phone store in 2018. Why are you using a Windows Phone, which doesn't make any sense? You definitely should get an Android or iPhone as soon as possible. So the latest news is you won't be able to download or use Instagram in Windows Phone from now. This is the official end for the Instagram for Windows Phone, which is kind of sad that Windows Phone is one of the most largest and most promising operating system was, but it took some bad decision. That's why Windows Phone is also officially dead. So now the update is Instagram is also dead for the Windows Phone. Now you if you are a Windows Phone user, you will be able to use Instagram.